I am deeply humbled and profoundly honored to receive the Order of Dostyk, first degree, one of the highest distinctions of your great country. This award is not only a personal recognition, but a luminous symbol of enduring friendship between Kenya and Kazakhstan. It reflects our shared commitment to peace, cooperation, and the enrichment of cultures across continents. As I wear this star and sash, I do so with reverence for the values they embody: unity, respect, and solidarity. I accept this honor on behalf of the people of Kenya, who stand with the people of Kazakhstan in the pursuit of harmony and prosperity. May this moment mark the strengthening of our partnership, and may the bonds of Dostyk, of friendship, continue to flourish between our nations for generations to come. Mr. President, again, on behalf of the people, the government, and on my own behalf, I'm truly grateful for the honor you and your country have bestowed on me as a measure and sign of friendship, both now and in the future. Kenya will reciprocate in ways that will signify our friendship to you, to your government, and to the people of Kazakhstan. This marks the beginning of a long journey of friendship